Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a promotional pop-up on Squarespace. So in order to do this, first of all navigate to squarespace.com and log in using your user credentials. After you log in, you'll be on this page. Here, you're going to click on the edit icon at the top left of the screen. Now you will see this page. Now after navigating to your website, you'll have to simply click on the marketing option at the left corner of the screen. When you click on marketing, you will see different marketing tools available. So click on marketing tools option under marketing, click on promotional pop-up on this page and it will show up an option to display pop-up. Just toggle the switch on and the promotional pop-up will be turned on. Now you can click on change layout, click on leave and you can easily select the layout for your promotional pop-up. So this is basically the design of the pop-up. You can also choose the alignment, whether you want it to be at the bottom right, mid, up or somewhere else. Click on save after selecting the layout. Go back. Now you can choose the action. Click on action, click on leave. Now you can choose whether you want the action to be for a newsletter or clicking up button. After saving the action, you can go back and you can choose the content. Now you can easily add a headline. So remove the headline and type in anything you want and you can also edit the body of this. After this, click on save, click on cancel and go back. Now you can choose the display and timing. So you can choose to show the pop-up on any first page or only on certain pages. Then you'll have to select the pages from this. You can choose to show the timer after 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 30 seconds or immediately. After doing this, you can choose the frequency of this and click on save. Then go back and you can choose an image for your pop-up. Then clicking here, click on upload image, select an image, then click on open and this will instantly add an image for your pop-up. Now you can go back and you can choose the style, you can choose the font, color and different elements for your pop-up. After doing this, you can go back and as you can see, I have successfully added a pop-up on my Squarespace website. So that is a simple way through which you can add a promotional pop-up on Squarespace. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.